Question type 2 for conservation momentum is where it's a hit and stick type question. Those questions are where the objects are separated and then they're stuck together, or they're stuck together and then they separate. Either way. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our situation where we're going to have, let's take a water balloon. Nice blue balloon filled right to the brim with water. And let's have our favorite chemistry teacher trying to run away from a vindictive physics teacher who's throwing a water balloon at them. Some speed lines on there, a couple speed lines on this person. Let's say that mass of the water balloon, 0.7 kilograms. The velocity of my water balloon is going to be 20 meters per second. Okay, that's positive 20 because it's going to the right. Mass of our chemistry teacher, 85 kilograms. Their velocity is going to be positive 2 meters per second. There's our collision. So we're going to need to redraw this out again. So let's see. Let's say that it was a headshot. So that means that this person is going to kind of like be flopping through the air. And we're going to assume that none of the water has splashed off, so they're just flying through the air. Now the masses are combined. So it's going to be m1 plus m2 after. So that's going to be 85 plus 0.7. And we want to find the velocity of the combination of water and chemistry teacher after. So this formula is going to be our momentum before has to be equal to our momentum of the combination of people and water after. Okay, so there's your formula for hits and sticks. So let's fill it in. The momentum that the balloon brings to the situation, the momentum that the person brings to the situation has to be equal to 85.7 V. Solve this thing all out, and I'm going to be left with 0.7 times 20 plus 85 times 2 over 85.7. My velocity after then ends up equaling 14 plus 170 over 85.7. So finally, my final velocity is going to be positive 2.14 meters per second. That is the velocity of both the water balloon and the person together, going to the right. Hit and stick.